deals with inspection and maintenance of life-saving appliances to be carried out by the crew on board the ship. As from July 2006, annual inspections, servicing and repair of lifeboats shall be conducted by the manufacturer's representative or a person appropriately trained and certified by the manufacturer. However, it is the responsibility of the crew on board to perform maintenance and inspection of life-saving appliances on the ship in order to ensure reliability of the equipment and to maintain effective operation. The crew shall carry out weekly and monthly inspections in accordance with the instructions for maintenance and inspection provided by manufacturers. Visual and operational inspections are required for the maintenance and inspection of lifeboats. External visual checks should look for obvious damage, scratches, cracks, deformations and other abnormalities, and confirm that devices such as the release gear are properly reset. Operational inspections shall be carried out for the release gear, painter releasing device, steering system and rudder, propeller, and so on. It is also necessary to check that there is no water leakage from the steering gear and the stern tube. Checkpoints for periodical maintenance work on engines includes the following. Fixed and that all wires have been wound correctly. confirm that it is securely installed on the cradle, that it is not lashed with other ropes or bonds, and that the painter is connected to the connecting ring of the automatic release device. Annual maintenance is required by regulations for life rafts too. Life rafts that come up for inspection during periodical maintenance shall be inspected and maintained at a certified proper knowledge of life-saving equipment, its handling and maintenance is essential if accidents are to be avoided during emergencies and live drills. Most accidents result from a lack of knowledge, improper handling or improper maintenance. Therefore, effective education and repeated drilling in the use and care of life-saving equipment has become an issue of pressing concern. The purpose of this DVD is to prevent accidents caused by misuse of basic life-saving equipment. Equipment that is designed to save, not take your life. There are many manufacturers of life-saving equipment, and each piece of equipment has its own handling characteristics. Therefore, it is essential that every seafarer familiarize himself or herself with each piece of equipment and handle it in accordance with its operating manual.